Millionaires understand something most people never will, that freedom isn't about speed, and it's not about luxury for show. It's about control. Control over time, comfort, privacy, and direction. This motorhome exists for that exact mindset. From the first glance, it doesn't ask for attention, it commands it quietly. The deep burgundy body, wrapped in black glass and flowing lines, feels more like a moving aircraft than a vehicle. It's designed for people who don't chase destinations but choose them, people who don't rush journeys but shape them. Step inside, and the world outside immediately softens. The lounge is the first space that welcomes you, and it does so with intention. This isn't a place designed to impress guests for 5 minutes, it's designed to hold you for hours. Burgundy panels wrap the space with warmth, while black panoramic windows stretch along the sides, framing the outside world like a moving painting. The seating curves gently, upholstered in soft, neutral tones that balance the richness of the red without competing with it. Golden lighting flows from the ceiling and along the seams of the walls, creating an atmosphere that feels closer to evening calm than daytime brightness. At the center, a single table grounds the space, topped with a simple floral detail, nothing excessive, just enough to remind you this is a living environment, not a concept render. This lounge isn't about spectacle, it's about ease. Moving deeper inside, the bedroom reveals itself as a retreat rather than a statement. At its heart sits a round bed that feels both unique and familiar, designed to invite rest the moment you see it. Gray bedding softens the room instantly, layered with black cushions that add contrast and depth. The burgundy walls surrounding the space don't overpower, they protect. They create a cocoon-like environment that feels private, calm, and secure. Golden lighting glows subtly behind the headboard and beneath the bed, adding warmth without stealing attention. Side tables sit comfortably within reach, ready for the quiet rituals of the night or the slow beginnings of morning. This bedroom isn't about design trends, it's about how you feel when you finally stop moving. Just beyond the sleeping space, the dressing area continues the theme of thoughtful living. This isn't an afterthought or a narrow corridor, it's a fully realized space designed for real routines. Burgundy wardrobes rise along the walls, their interiors softly lit to reveal neatly arranged hanging clothes, drawers, and shelves. A vanity area anchors the space, complete with a softly backlit mirror that flatters rather than exposes. On the surface, everyday essentials, perfume, grooming tools, personal items, sit organized and within reach. A compact stool rests in front of the vanity, inviting you to sit, pause, and prepare at your own pace. This space respects time. It doesn't rush you, and it doesn't waste a single inch. The kitchen and dining area reflect a similar philosophy. Everything here is intentional. Burgundy cabinetry pairs with matte black surfaces, creating a balance that feels both rich and grounded. Appliances are seamlessly integrated, hidden behind clean lines that keep the space calm and uncluttered. The dining area is intimate, designed for quiet meals rather than grand entertaining. Golden lighting warms the surfaces, turning even the simplest moments, coffee in the morning, dinner after a long drive, into something more personal. This isn't a kitchen designed to impress others. It's designed to serve you. Nearby, the office space introduces a different kind of luxury, clarity. This is where decisions are made, emails are answered, and ideas take shape. A built-in desk curves naturally from the wall, finished in black glass that reflects just enough light to feel alive without becoming distracting. Burgundy panels frame the space, reinforcing focus rather than drama. A comfortable chair invites long sessions without fatigue, while carefully placed items, a laptop, books, a mug, make the space feel lived in. The lighting here is controlled and warm, supporting concentration without harshness. This office doesn't separate work from life, it integrates it seamlessly. The bathroom brings a sense of quiet indulgence. Compact but complete, it feels more like a private spa than a vehicle bathroom. Burgundy accents add depth, while matte black fixtures provide contrast and definition. A glass-enclosed shower keeps the space open, and a softly backlit mirror casts a flattering glow. Golden lighting fills the room evenly, eliminating shadows and creating a calm, restorative atmosphere. Every element feels considered, from the placement of fixtures to the way light moves across surfaces. This is a space designed to reset you. Beyond the essentials, the motorhome offers moments of indulgence that feel almost unreal in motion. The mini pool spa is one of them. Compact and private, it sits quietly within its burgundy enclosure, water glowing softly under golden light. Curved walls wrap the space, creating a sense of seclusion that feels rare in a moving environment. This is where the journey pauses, not because you've stopped, but because you've chosen stillness. The gym area follows a similar logic. It's not oversized, and it doesn't overwhelm. Instead, it offers exactly what's needed: a treadmill, a bike, and weights, all framed by burgundy panels and warm lighting. This is a space designed to maintain balance, not chase performance. It exists to support your routine, not dominate it. Passenger seating carries the same attention to comfort and presence. Individual seats offer proper support, wrapped in soft upholstery that feels closer to private aviation than road travel. Black panoramic windows stretch alongside, reinforcing the sense of movement while keeping the interior calm and insulated. Lighting flows gently around the space, making long journeys feel effortless rather than demanding. At the front, the cockpit completes the experience. This is a command center designed for confidence, not aggression. The dashboard spans the width of the space, finished in deep burgundy accents and matte black surfaces. Displays are clear and intuitive, positioned for ease rather than show. Both seats are visible, supportive, and comfortable, framed by a panoramic windshield that opens the road ahead. Golden accent lighting traces the cockpit's contours, creating a calm environment where control feels natural. This is a place where driving becomes an extension of intention, not effort. When it comes to pricing, this motorhome doesn't pretend to be accessible. It isn't meant for everyone, and it doesn't need to be. This is a machine built for millionaires, and realistically, for billionaires who understand that the highest form of luxury is personalization, privacy, and presence. It's not about owning a vehicle, it's about owning an experience that moves with you. So the question isn't whether this motorhome is impressive. The question is where you would take it if it were yours. Would you disappear into mountain roads, follow coastlines without schedules, or park somewhere quiet and let the world slow down around you? If this vision of travel resonates with you, if this balance of power, comfort, and freedom feels right, then the next step is simple. Explore it. Inquire privately. And decide how you want your journey to unfold. Tell me your favorite interior in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping luxury machine breakdowns. Your support helps us bring even more insane creations to the channel.